You may be overlooking one of the most powerful natural ingredients for healthy, radiant skin, and it's likely sitting in your kitchen right now. Lemon peels, often discarded without a second thought, are packed with skin-enhancing nutrients that rival some of the most expensive products on the market. Rich in vitamin C, citric acid, antioxidants, and natural exfoliants, lemon peels offer a wide range of benefits, from brightening the complexion and minimizing pores to reducing dark spots and promoting smoother, clearer skin. Before we go any further, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. And have you ever considered using lemon peel as part of your skincare routine? In this video, we will explore simple yet effective DIY beauty hacks using lemon peels that you can easily try at home. That's why watch this video till the end for better understanding. These natural remedies are not only cost-effective but also incredibly potent when it comes to enhancing your skin's overall health and glow. Let's uncover the glow hidden inside this simple citrus fruit. Why lemon peels deserve a place in your beauty routine. Most of us squeeze out the juice and toss the rest. But lemon peels are actually more potent than the juice itself. They contain 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the lemon juice, especially vitamin C, citric acid, calcium, potassium, and flavonoids. These nutrients help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, exfoliate dead skin cells, and brighten the complexion. Even better, they're antibacterial and antifungal, making them an excellent natural remedy for acne-prone skin. And now, let's explore how you can turn these often wasted peels into effective DIY beauty treatments. Number 1. Lemon Peel and Yogurt Glow Mask. Let's start with a simple yet powerful glow-up mask. All you need is 1 tablespoon of dried lemon peel powder, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. How to use? Mix the 2 ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Apply it evenly on your clean face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Why it works? Lemon peel acts as a gentle exfoliator, while yogurt contains lactic acid that further dissolves dead skin cells and hydrates your skin. Use this mask twice a week for soft, glowing skin. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Number 2. Lemon Peel and Honey Spot Corrector. Struggling with acne marks or dark spots? Try this. 1 teaspoon of lemon peel powder, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. How to use? Mix and apply directly to problem areas. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash off. Why it works? Honey is a natural humectant and antibacterial agent. Combined with the lightening properties of lemon peel, this combo helps reduce hyperpigmentation and fade acne scars over time. Number 3. Lemon Peel Sugar Scrub for Silky Skin. This scrub is perfect for removing dead skin cells and improving blood circulation. 2 tablespoons of lemon peel powder or finely grated fresh peel, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. How to use? Massage onto damp skin in gentle circular motions, especially on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels. Rinse off and feel the softness instantly. Why it works? Sugar acts as a physical exfoliant, while lemon peel helps brighten and detoxify. The oil keeps your skin nourished and moisturized. Number 4. Lemon Peel Ice Cubes for Instant Brightening. Yes, you can freeze beauty into cubes. 1 tablespoon lemon peel powder or crushed fresh peel. 1 cup of water or green tea ice tray. How to use? Freeze the mixture and rub a cube gently over your face every morning. This boosts blood circulation and gives your skin a fresh, awake look. Bonus tip: green tea adds extra antioxidants and reduces puffiness. Number 5. Lemon Peel Toner for Pore Tightening. Make your own refreshing toner with just 2 ingredients. 1 cup boiling water. Peels of 2 lemons. How to make it? Steep the peels in hot water for 1 to 2 hours. Strain and let cool. Store it in a spray bottle and refrigerate. How to use? Use it as a toner after cleansing your face. Spray or apply with a cotton pad. Why it works? This natural toner helps shrink pores, control excess oil, and refresh your skin, especially in hot, humid weather. Number 6. Lemon Peel and Turmeric Brightening Mask. Turmeric and lemon peel, a golden combo. 1 teaspoon lemon peel powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons rose water or milk. How to use? Mix well and apply to your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse. Why it works? Turmeric reduces inflammation and lightens dark spots, while lemon peel boosts radiance. Great for dull or tired skin. Number 7. Lemon Peel Lip Scrub. Don't forget your lips. They deserve love too. 1/2 teaspoon lemon peel powder. 1/2 teaspoon honey. A pinch of sugar. How to use? Gently scrub your lips with this mix for a minute, then rinse and apply lip balm. Why it works? It removes dry skin and leaves your lips soft, smooth, and naturally pink. How to make lemon peel powder at home. Wondering how to get lemon peel powder? It's easy. 1. Wash the lemons thoroughly to remove any wax or pesticides. 2. Peel the lemons thinly. Avoid the bitter white pith. Let the peels dry under sunlight for 2 to 3 days or use a dehydrator. 4. Once crisp, grind them into a fine powder and store in an airtight jar. That's it. Now you've got a powerhouse ingredient ready to transform your skincare game. A word of caution. Lemon peel is potent, which means it's powerful but can be irritating for some skin types, especially sensitive skin. Always do a patch test first. If any redness or itching occurs, discontinue use. Also, avoid sun exposure right after using lemon-based treatments, as they can make your skin more photosensitive. Always apply sunscreen before stepping out. Now we wrap up our discussion here. Nature has always had the answers, and lemon peels are proof. Instead of spending hundreds on chemical-packed products, why not embrace the glow that comes from simple, natural ingredients? By reusing what we usually throw away, you're not only saving money but also embracing a more sustainable and skin-loving lifestyle. Have you tried any of these hacks before? Share it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural beauty and wellness tips. Your glow is just one peel away. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.